Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide the tutorial on how to change profile picture on Amazon on an Android device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. Well, first thing first, you can open Amazon app on your device. Okay, after that, here you can press profile icon. And then you can click on your account menu. Okay, and then here you can scroll down. Okay, and then you can select profile here. After that, here you can check your profile picture in this section. Okay, and then your profile picture is successfully changed. Well, that's the tutorial on how to change profile picture on Amazon on an Android device.